So in this video, we're going to review trig ratios. Okay, so trig ratios, things I want to make sure I label on my triangle are the hypotenuse, my opposite, and adjacent sides. Okay, so the hypotenuse is usually the easiest one, so that's what we're going to label first. So first, I find my right angle, which is here. I go to the side across, and that is my hypotenuse. Okay, so it does not matter where theta is as long as that my hypotenuse is opposite the 90-degree angle. Okay, now I need to label my opposite and adjacent, and this does depend on where theta or my angle or theta is located. Okay, so the opposite is the side directly across from the angle. Okay, directly across. Then my adjacent is the one that's right next to it, and so this is my adjacent side. Okay, so that's going to help us build our three trig ratios. Okay, and so our three trig ratios are sine theta, cosine of theta, and then tangent theta. Now sine theta is the opposite over the hypotenuse. And then cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And then tangent ultimately is opposite over adjacent. And those are the three ratios that we're going to use here. And so all we're doing now is plugging in what we don't know. So usually we're going to be given theta and at one other side, and then use that to find the missing side length. So an example of this is if I'm given the right triangle below with an angle of 30 degrees, hypotenuse here, and let's say I want to know, I have a side of 3, and I want to know what x is, okay? And so for this problem, what I'm going to do is I notice that my angle is 30 degrees, and I know my hypotenuse. So I know height, adjacent, and opposite. So I want to find opposite and hypotenuse, which tells me then I want to use sine. So I want to say sine of 30 degrees is equal to x over 3. Okay, and so then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to solve for x. So I'm now going to bring my 3 over by multiplying both sides by 3. Okay, which gets rid of that 3, and so I get 3 sine 30 equals x. And then I'm going to plug this in to my nice fancy little calculator, and I'm going to go 3 times 30 sine, and I get 1.5 is equal to x. Okay? And so that would be my answer. And I will do the exact same thing if I'm using either cosine or tangent.